In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to expand your team with the perfect candidate, or simply trying to understand how LinkedIn can help streamline your hiring process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive right in and make the most out of LinkedIn's job posting feature. To start, head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you will need to sign in. You have the option to use either your Google or Microsoft account, or you can enter your email address and password to access your LinkedIn profile. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone. Make sure you have your device handy to expedite this step. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, locate and click on the jobs icon at the top. This section is dedicated to everything job related, from seeking opportunities to posting new openings. In the jobs section, look to the left side of your screen for the option to post a free job. Clicking this button will lead you to a new page where you'll specify the job details. Here you'll first choose which job you're hiring for by selecting from a drop-down menu. This will help categorize your job post and make it easier for potential candidates to find it. With the job selected, the next step is crucial. Click on Start with a job description. This will serve as a foundation for your job post and help convey exactly what you're looking for in a candidate. Fill out the required details, paying close attention to completeness and accuracy. Once you've filled everything in, hit Continue. Now it's time to arrange your job settings. These settings might include specifics like job type, location, and salary. Carefully review your options and click Continue once you've configured your desired settings. Next comes the stage for specifying qualifications. This is where you'll outline the skills, experience, and education level you're seeking. Clearly defining these elements will attract well-suited candidates to your posting. After providing all the necessary information, LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm your email address. Once verified, you'll get the chance to review your job post. Look over everything to ensure it accurately represents the position and is ready to attract the right talent. When you're satisfied, publish your job listing and share it with your LinkedIn network to widen your search for suitable candidates. Finally, to check on your active job post, go back to the jobs homepage and select Manage Job Posts. This is where you can view and manage your listings, making any adjustments or seeing how well your post is doing at any time. By following these steps, you'll easily navigate posting a job on LinkedIn, connecting with potential hires quickly and efficiently.